Hi guys, and welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you can join us. This week we have a request from a community member, and she writes, "Hi, my name is Susanna." Hi Susanna. "And I'm newly engaged." Yay, congratulations. Our wedding is soon and I've already started the process of planning for it. In this journey of planning, I've tried to think of ways to cut costs on certain things and have looked on Pinterest and YouTube for ideas. I recently stumbled across your DIY page on YouTube, and after watching so many of your videos, I am so excited and anxious to create my own centerpieces and floral arrangements for our wedding. Our wedding colors are yellow, dark gray, white, and gold. And I'm going to be honest, I have not seen a whole lot of yellow wedding centerpieces, so I hope you choose my project and help this vision in real life and give me some pointers in creating a yellow wedding. I thank you in advance for your time and efforts and all that you do for the DIY community. Well, Susanna, not only are we going to show you how to create this beautiful yellow burst centerpiece that is super economical, I'm also going to give you a bonus lesson on how to add Dollartree items to your centerpiece that's just going to take it to the next level for under 20 bucks. Okay, so I'm excited to show you that bonus, but let's get started with this week's episode, Yellow Burst Centerpiece. All right, guys, let's go. We're going to start creating our base using a 4-inch candle holder and gold paint. I applied a total of 3 coats, letting the paint dry for at least 15-20 minutes in between coats to get that very nice metallic sheen. Next, we're going to attach our 6-inch foam disc to our 4-inch candle holder, and I'm going to make an indentation into the bottom of the 6-inch foam disc, apply a little hot glue into the indentation, and then reinsert my candlestick holder. To complete our base construction, we are going to use a 5-inch styrofoam ball, which we're going to cut in half, so you get 2 for the price of 1. And we're going to cut it with our foam cutter. And then we're going to simply attach that half to the top of our 6-inch styrofoam disc using our floral pins. And typically, 1 in each of the 4 corners is all you need, and it will stay in place indefinitely. It's bonus time! I'm so excited to show you guys all of these pieces. If you choose to use all of them, the cost is less than $15. Or you can take pieces, whatever works for you. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to create a underwater terrarium using Dollartree products. So first I'm going to show you these little tea light holders. They're very simple. They cost $1. You get a pack of 8 tea lights for $1. So that's an easy way to zhuzh up your centerpiece. Next, I bought the stem of yellow Queen Anne lace bush, and the whole stem was $3. And you can make at least 8 centerpieces out of the 1 bushel of them. So I cut one in half. I'm placing it at the bottom of my Dollar Tree little votive bowl. I'm going to put the Dollar Tree beads on top of it to keep it in place. It's very simple. Then you're just going to fill it up to right at the rim of your vase and insert the floating candle that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree. So simple, so easy, and what an impact. Well, Susanna, what do you think? I mean, the colors just bring a smile to my face. I can only imagine what this would look like all set up with your crisp white tablecloth and I just put in a gray muslin runner. It's just gray muslin that I bought at the fabric store for like $1 for a roll of it. And you just roll it out and use it as a runner on your tables. It's so simple and very inexpensive. I love how it turned out. I love the bright sunny colors, and I can see this completely as a wonderful spring wedding. So I'm so excited for you. I hope that we took away your anxiety and replaced it with easy breezy, you can do it, go girl attitude. So I hope you like it. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you want a special notification, click on that little bell right down there in the corner and you will get a special notification from us the moment the videos are up and running. You can also send us a question, write it in the comment section. We love to answer your questions. I try to get to them as soon as I possibly can, but even when I don't, our community will step in for me and help you out. So if you have a question about a project or you just have a question in general, go ahead and write in the comment section and let's help each other out, guys. That's what we are here for. You can also just send us words of encouragement. They go so far and help us so much, especially on those long production nights. So we do read them. I personally read every single one of them. And I'm just grateful that I can do that. And I'm going to keep doing it until I absolutely can't do it, but I'm going to keep doing it. If you would like to, you can also follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you haven't already signed up for your Ebates rebate account, what are you waiting for? It's absolutely free and they pay you to shop. It's very simple. Either click down there in our description below to the link to the Ebates, set up your account when you're ready to shop, sign on to your Ebates account, find your vendor, and make your qualified purchases to receive a check in the mail for your shopping efforts, especially with those holidays right around the corner. Also, be sure to check out our MissPlanIt store, or MissPlanItShop.com. We have some fantastic planning guides for you that are available for you immediately. They are digital download, which means you don't pay for shipping and handling, and you don't have to wait for it to be mailed to you. It's available to all of our community members, no matter how far or how close you are, and that's our purpose for it. And then if you haven't already hung out with me on our MissPlanIt home channel, you don't want to miss it. This is where I do DIY projects for my own home, as well as the home of my family members and friends. We're having fun over there as they're watching me deck the halls for the Christmas holidays. So if you want to hang out some more, click on that little icon, go to MissPlanIt, our MissPlanIt.com website, and click on DIY Home, and let's see what we got. We had so much fun this week. It went by so fast, as it always does, and I hope that you enjoyed it. I so appreciate you hanging out with me because there are so many options for you on YouTube. So we appreciate you choosing to spend time with us. Remember, if there is a project that we can help you with, go ahead to our website, MissPlanIt.com, or click on that icon, go to the Project Request tab, and follow the easy steps. Remember to do it sooner than later because we don't ever want to say no to any of our community members. In addition to that, don't forget that the links to the supplies as well as the project cost are always in the description below. So just head on down to the description. All of the information is right there at your fingertips. You don't have to wonder where we got things. We don't have to wonder where you're going to get them because we make all that information available to you because we are here to help you make your DIY wedding or event as fabulous as it can possibly be. Because if I can do it, you can do it. So with that being said, always remember, when every penny counts, Count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.